So spending money on groceries and wasting food can eat up a significant portion of your household income, but fear not. You can shop smart and still save money by learning how to maximize your grocery budget. Keep watching. Hi everyone, my name is Bola Shokumbi. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Finance. I'm also the author of the Clever Finance book series and my most recent book, Choosing to Prosper. Welcome to Clever Finance TV. So in today's video, I have 19 tips to share with you to help you stop wasting money on food and maximize your grocery budget. And this does not mean that you can't eat healthy. You can still eat healthy. You can still eat the foods that you love, but we're going to make sure that you're spending your money in the right way when you're grocery shopping so that you can save more money. Let's get into these tips. Number one, take inventory of your pantry and your refrigerator and freezer before you go into the store. Knowing what you already have at home can help you eliminate wasting money on food because you won't be buying duplicates. This has happened to me so many times. When I don't check my pantry and I head to the store, I end up buying things that I already had at home in my fridge or freezer. So it's really important to take an assessment of your pantry, your fridge, your freezer, your dry goods before you go to the grocery store. Number two, create a clear grocery budget. Get clear on how much it is that you're going to spend. Write down your list of items and put an amount to a maximum amount of how much you're going to spend in the grocery store on food. If you're not sure what your grocery budget should be, take some time out to look at your past spending at the grocery store and then compare that spending to the foods that you actually eat versus the foods that you didn't eat or had to throw out, and come up with a number to help you shop smartly in the grocery store. Number three, plan your meals in advance. If you're able to highlight the things that you want to cook for the week, it's easier to have a really clear list of things that you want to buy in the grocery store, and that in turn will save you money. Meal planning, knowing exactly what you want to eat and knowing exactly the ingredients you need to buy can save you so much money. Number four, make a grocery list and stick to it. So I mentioned this as part of the budget tip, but it's really important that you have a detailed grocery list of the things that you actually want to buy so that when you go to the store, you're picking out only those things on that list. This will help you stay focused because you have that list in hand or on your phone, and it'll help you save more money. And if you are shopping online, before you head on to the website and start browsing all the deals and specials, have your list ready. That way you're just clicking exactly what you want to buy and putting that in your cart. Number five, explore multiple stores for the best deals. And this can be as simple as going on your grocery store websites to see if they have any offers or specials on different items. Stores are constantly competing with each other to have the best price. So make sure you just take some time out to see what is being offered at what stores around you to see if you can get the cheapest price on certain items. Number six, opt for store brand products. Sometimes it can be really tempting to want to buy the branded items, the branded groceries that you see advertised on TV, but a lot of the time store brand products are just as good. I'm a huge fan of my local store, their store brand frozen vegetables, because they taste exactly the same as the more expensive brand. And so picking out store brand products, you don't have to have your whole grocery shopping be store brand products if there's certain brand names that you like, but picking out certain items as part of your store brand purchases, you can't tell the difference between those items and the branded ones. So use that as a way to save money. So I would say things like canned goods, frozen items, seasonings, those type of things, milk, those are things that you can save a lot of money on if you buy the store branded version. So take advantage of bargains and sales. A lot of times, especially during holidays, stores will have specials or bargain or steal prices. And this can help you save money on more expensive items like meats and cheeses. For example, I know that my local store during big holidays like July 4th, Labor Day, etc., the night before, the evening before the holiday, they dramatically discount their barbecue meats. So that means the minced meat, the chicken wings, they put that on special because they've cut a lot of these things for pre-sale sale, but they never sell out. And so they want to get that stock of meat out of the store. This is meat in perfectly good condition. There's nothing wrong with it. It has the same sell by date as other meat products in the store. They just had dedicated this for sale during that holiday day or for that holiday weekend. And because it didn't sell out, they're trying to get it out of the store as quickly as possible. And this is a great time to pick up those types of items. Number 8, differentiate your food needs from your food wants. It is easy to go into the grocery store and see all these new things and just want to buy whatever, want to buy a bunch of random things because you think you're going to enjoy them, or you think they may be tasty, or you go into the store hungry, or like everything just looks yummy and enticing. But get really clear on what you need to buy versus what you want to buy. And that is where that food list, that grocery list comes in handy. And when you're making your grocery list, in order to prioritize your food needs versus your food wants, put your essential items at the top of your list. So these are the things that you pick up first based on your grocery budget. And if you have money left over, because say you found one of your essentials on sale, then you can pick up one of those wants or indulgent items. Number 9, pay with cash to avoid overspending. So I do this tip quite often when I go to the grocery store. And I find that if I take cash in with my list, that's all I can spend. So even if I get tempted by the new chocolate, the new ice cream, the new whatever that is tempting me, I can't buy it because guess what? I don't have the money. I left my debit card in my purse at home and I brought my fixed amount of money based on my grocery budget that I'm able to spend in the store right now. Number 10, utilize your store rewards cards for points and discounts. So every store has their own little rewards card that they give you where you type in your phone number when you're checking out, or you scan your little card on your keychain or on your phone. And this is a great way to get deals and discounts on sales in the store. A lot of times you cannot get the discount unless you have that store rewards card. So it's worth spending the few minutes to sign up for one so that you can take advantage of those sales and discounts in store that are tied to your store's reward card. Number 11, I know we all hate spam, but when it comes to saving money on groceries, it can be worth it to get your grocery store emails. So sign up for your grocery store email so that you can get notified about sales and specials, especially on those items that you buy all the time. This is a great way to save extra money. They email you with the coupons or they email you with the store flyer for the week and say, these are all the items that are going on sale. And you can leverage that store flyer that has been emailed to you to create your grocery list. Alternatively, what you can do if you don't want to get the emails is go on your grocery store's website and see if they upload the flyer there every week. And that way you can leverage that flyer to plan out, to see what's on sale to help you plan out your grocery list and your grocery budget. Number 12, hunt for manufacturers' coupons before you go shopping in store. So if you buy a lot of brand name products in the grocery store and you buy them often enough, or they are quite expensive, take some time out to go to the actual manufacturer's websites to see if they have any coupons, or do a quick online search to see if there are any coupons for that brand name that you purchase often. It'll surprise you how many coupons you can find or trial flyers you can find that will save you money when you're buying those branded items when you go grocery shopping the next time. Number 13, buy non-perishable items in bulk for better pricing. So if there are items that you use often, you can think about buying them in bulk, specifically if they're non-perishable. This means they're going to last a very long time. And when you buy items in bulk, when you buy those non-perishable items in bulk, you save money because they typically are cheaper because you're buying a larger quantity. I would caution against buying perishable goods in bulk. So these are the foods that expire or turn bad after a short period of time. If you know that you're not going to be able to eat it or get through those food items before they go bad. So it makes more sense to buy your non-perishable items in bulk because they're typically cheaper and will save you a lot of money. Also, number 14, explore discount grocery stores. So think about stores like Aldi, Trader Joe's, Lidl, and Market Basket. These are all discount stores or stores that sell cheaper groceries that can really help you maximize your grocery budget. And just because they sell cheaper groceries does not mean that their products are not good. I love Trader Trader Joe's. They have so many great options, so many healthy options, organic options, all kinds of things. And they are a great store, and you can save a lot of money shopping there, especially if there are things that you need to buy very often. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button below, and tell your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance. And then stop by our website at clevergirlfinance.com. We have a ton of free content. We have over 30 plus completely free courses, and we have a podcast called the Clever Girls Know Podcast that you can find everywhere you listen to your podcast episodes. Okay, let's get back to this video on how to maximize your grocery budget. Number 15, learn proper food storage techniques. It is so important to learn how to store the food that you purchase from the grocery store so that you can maximize the shelf life of your food. So what foods do you need to put in the refrigerator versus the freezer? What foods can stay on the counter or in the pantry? What foods do you need to wash off or clean up or cut up before you before you store them? It's really important that you learn how to properly store your food so that they can last for you. Number 16, grab the store flyer. So if you're going in store to shop, once you walk towards the doors of your grocery store, there's typically a basket or a stand that has the store flyers that highlights what is the special for that day or that week. Even though you may have done online research, it is still worth picking up a flyer to just quickly browse through before you go into the store and start your grocery shopping, in case you missed something or in case there's something on your list that you didn't realize was on sale in a different brand or in a different aisle that you can pick up based on what you find in the store flyer. And number 17, I've kind of alluded to this a little bit, but shop online for groceries or via an app. So by shopping online for groceries or by leveraging an app, you can actually save money because it's easier to move past the temptation than if you're actually walking past those items in a physical store. So I love to shop online because I know exactly what I want to buy. It's on my list. I shop online quite frequently, so I actually have a default list saved that I just go through. And that way I don't get to wonder what XYZ tastes like, or walk by the candy aisle or the chocolate aisle or the ice cream aisle or the bread aisle if it's not on my list. So shopping online or via an app can help you save a lot of money. Number 18, embrace home cooking to save money and control the ingredients in your food. So when you're eating out, even though the food might be amazing, oftentimes you don't know exactly what the ingredients that have been put into your food. So start learning how to cook. There's so many channels on YouTube that you can learn how to cook, even simple things that don't take a lot of time. And you also, by cooking at home, you also know exactly what is being put in your food. You know all the ingredients that are being put in your food, and that can be healthier for you as well. So home cooking will save you money because when you cook at home, it's cheaper, much, much cheaper than eating out. And so you can create that meal plan based on your grocery list, based on what you have in your pantry, and then plan out some meals that you can cook at home to save yourself some money and be aware of the ingredients in your food. And number 19, repurpose your leftovers for new meals. And so if you find that you've cooked a big dinner, you can leverage those leftovers for the next day's lunch or even the next day's dinner, or it can last you for a few days. By repurposing your leftovers to create new meals, you can save more money and come up with fun food ideas. For example, you may have made roasted chicken for dinner. You can take your leftovers and create a chicken sandwich or a chicken salad. So these are just a few tips to help you maximize your grocery budget and help you save money, right? And also help you minimize how much food you're wasting. I would love to know if you have any other tips as to how you save money with grocery shopping and how you minimize food wastage. Share it in the comments below. I hope you have found this video helpful, and I would also love to know if you're going to leverage any of these tips and which tip you plan to leverage if you don't already do that. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you next time.